guys, I'm Lexi. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about makeup. Am I using it properly? Does it make me beautiful? Does it give me confidence? Come get ready with me. So first things first, make sure that you check out the video with the giveaway. I'm going to be using very affordable brands today. And I will be adding down in the description the tools and the things that I used to create my makeup look. So I'm going to be using primer. What I love about this foundation, it has an orange tone to it. So I use my beauty blender and dab. Now I'm going to do my concealer using MAC Pro Long Cosmetic Wear. I'm going to apply underneath my eye. And I'm going to dab and create this highlighted area. It's also really important to have an expert know about your skin so you don't have like allergic reactions. They will be able to know what makeup is best for you. I'm gonna bring it in. I'm building my highlight. I want to make this fat face look way thinner. I'm creating a highlight in certain areas to give me more of a symmetrical shape. I want my lips to look bigger. My nose to look longer and thinner. So I do this trick here, and my forehead to look smaller. So I'm gonna go side to side. I'm so excited for this weekend, you guys. I'm taking a trip and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I can't wait. I'm going to be using a Morphe powder palette to create my contour. I'm going from here to here. Around my jawline. The modern makeup industry is so popular. There's so many shops, so many brands. But at the end of the day, which one works for you? Do you have your preferred brands? Leave me a comment. Tell me which one works for you. Gonna make this nose narrow, and obviously my forehead smaller. I really like this powder. It's really light. You can increase it little by little. Very different than cream contour. I'm gonna be using MAC translucent powder and apply on the highlighted areas. So when it comes to cosmetics, we get so tempted to try new things, try new brands. The shadows, the lashes, the lipsticks, what the lipsticks do. Is it shiny? Is it matte? Is it a lip gloss? Is it waterproof? There's all kinds of things in the modern makeup industry. So I'm applying a little bit of baking powder. I'm gonna let it sit while I work on my brows. I'm gonna be using an angle brush and Anastasia brow gel. Let's see what these brows end up looking like I have one higher than the other. It's always been an insecurity for me. Back in the day, there was only brow pencils. And they have created waterproof gel. And it's amazing. Now I'm going to be using this brush. Makeup rituals have existed since the ancient days. Women have used makeup for centuries. They use charcoal for eyeshadow and powder to lighten their skin. I'm going to be using one of my favorites. Look at this palette. This is by Morphe 39L. I'm also going to be using a Morphe eye primer. And this video is not sponsored and I am not getting paid to make it. I'm going to apply it. I don't know what color I'm feeling today. What do you think? I'm gonna go for this angle brush. Now I'm going to use a fussy brush. I'm going to do the third color. And I'm going to throw in some pink. You guys, this is sexy. It makes me feel powerful. Confident. We're going to blend both colors together. And we're going to bring it down. We don't just go out without brushing our teeth or doing our hair. But wearing makeup, even if you're feeling down or even if you're stressed, this activity creates positive feeling. Do we really need makeup? With or without it, we are beautiful. But it definitely improves our appearance. Throw in that pink. I don't know why I do that. I guess it's just a habit. And bring it in. I'm gonna dust off the baking powder. I'm gonna be using MAC Deeply Black waterproof eyeliner. Makeup is so much fun, but it can also be very addictive. I'm gonna be using Colossal Big Shot for my mascara. I'm gonna use an eyelash curler. I love the way this mascara looks on me, so no strip lashes for me today. Circular motion and feather it back. I'm also going to be giving me some sun with some bronzer. The feeling of this lipstick, you guys, it's amazing. It's very light, very smooth. Stretch my lips and apply it evenly. I'm going to be using MAC powder to seal everything in. I'm loving this look, you guys. I feel Like $1 million. NYX matte finishing spray. Very refreshing. And I love it. What do you guys think about this look? I'm loving it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe down below. Let's get dressed, and I'll see you next week.